Don't step on my white skirt. He stepped on my white skirt. Happy Friday, everyone. A bit of a different location. I think I was telling you in other videos that we were going away, and we, as you can see by the background, this is not the bedroom and my studio. We're in St. Lucia. You know, on my channel, we've been coming to St. Lucia for a while now, and we have 2 Airbnbs here. I'll link them below if you haven't seen them already. We've been superhosts for 5 years. My parents are here as well, family is here. I'm born and raised in London, but my parents have retired and they are moved back to St. Lucia where they grew up. So I'm always coming back here. It's 4 hours less than direct on JetBlue from New York. So it's a really easy trip for us, same time zone, etc. But instead of what we usually used to do for years, in fact, that's the only thing I used to do, Michael and I, would go straight to our Airbnb, stay there, hang out with our parents, etc., and all of that stuff, deal with anything they needed done, deal with the Airbnb that needed fixing, because it's a house always needs fixing. I thought instead, oh, it's raining, Michael. Yeah. That means there's going to be a rainbow. There might be a rainbow whilst we're talking. Anyway, I'm just keep cracking on. So I wanted to quickly just show you a video of what I brought with me to St. Lucia. So in no particular order, I'm actually going to start with what I'm wearing. So this is a dress, it's an oldie bit of goodie, which is my Reformation dress. So I'm going to stand up and show you. I love it. It's just a linen, pure linen dress, short sundress. And it's got like these short straps. And I just love this little like lace detail on the front here. Just very simple kind of dress, and I just think it's so beautiful. And I will quickly, actually no, in next Friday's video I will show you this whole place that we're in. It's beautiful, and we're at Jade Mountain and we're staying here for like 2 days, and before that we were Hotel Chocolat. The whole vlog is going to be next Friday, so please subscribe so you do not miss that. Okay, because it's been a while since I've done like a proper travel vlog video, and we've been saving a ton of content. You've probably already seen sneak peeks of it already on my TikTok and Instagram. So if you want to get sneak peeks already before Friday, make sure you follow me on those 2 channels. Underneath, I'm wearing my Christopher Esba swimsuit. Sorry, it might be a bit muffled because of the microphone, which I love. It's almost like a swimsuit in 3 parts, because it's got like the part here for your boobs, then the part here that goes across, and the part right here. And my belly button is right there. I love to wear it as a top as well. So I'll put like a linen like pant under it. In terms of shoes, I have them around me. So I have with me these oldies but the goodies now. These are my Loewe, I think they're called the Ginza flip-flops. I love these. They're like my posh flip-flops. I think it's just a nice way to have a stylish shoe. And these for me are those. The outside is like a black, I think it's suede. It's a black suede, and they're great. They run true. I believe these are a 41. I've had these, actually need a good clean, for a good 3 summers now, and every single summer I wear them either around New York City or I wear them when I'm on holiday like now. So these will always come with me when I'm going away, especially in the hot countries. Sticking with black and white, I also brought these with me. These are on the other end of the price spectrum, and these are by Zara. I have like 3 shoes from Zara. So I got these ones. I just love how simple they are. They're just like a flip-flop as well, but I love that stripe kind of global tribal look, right, with the pattern. I just think they're so good. And these just lace up the leg, this part here, just so cool. So they've got those as well. Sticking with Zara, these are men's, believe it or not. These are men's, light as you like. They really are. And I love these, so I got those as well, and I've already been wearing them. And oh, sneakers, I brought my Adidas, love these. I think these are the Gazelles, yeah, they are, in classic black and white. I wear these all the time, so these are like perfect to like have with me. So yeah, I love them. I also brought these Hogan sneakers. These are no stranger to you for these on my channel. By the way, I'll leave any shopping links on the screen as well as in the description box, but I'll have some of them pop up here as well as I'm showing them, just so you to check out if you want to make it easier for you instead of hunting for the description box. But I got these, and I love these. These are worn to pieces. These were a gift from Hogan in Milan, and I cannot tell you, I've had these for a year and I've worn these so much. I might even wear them later. We're going to go for drinks for a sunset, and then afterwards we're going to go downstairs to the beach. I'm going to show all of this in next week's vlog. You're going to see all of this for a steel pan like dinner and stuff like that. So I might wear these. I like the kind of idea of like wearing like a sundress with these. Kind of feels kind of like, you know, tomboy vibe. So there's those. One of the last of the sandals are these men's rope sandals. I told you about these before, and I also love them. So good. I just love that kind of like beige, just neutral color of them, and they just go with everything that I already have. So I love them. So good. And I love that kind of very oversized rope detail. In terms of bags, I brought my Dragon Diffusion leather basket weave bag. I showed you these in the previous video. I love the size of it. It's just a dark brown chocolate color. I feel like it's a good year-round color to wear. So I got that, and I love the fact that it's just easy to carry in the bend of my arm or just handheld. This is actually good to even use tonight, so I might be using that. We'll see. I also brought my oldie but a goodie, which is the Acaris straw bag. You've seen this straw bag before on my channel. I always use this bag. It's leather trimmed, navy, and this part is like raffia. It's got leather base with feet on it as well, I believe. And what's good about it is that it has these little bits out here, and then you can just turn it like that. Can you see? And it just becomes like this A-line shape. I think we called it, I forget what we called it, fortune cookie. Michael calls this a fortune cookie. I love the shape when it just does this. It's just kind of cool, it's different. And I've just had this for a couple of summers now, and I keep reaching for it because it's just like an easy grab and go. And the fact that the straps are thin leather makes it very functional as well. For travel, I found my travel bag, in case you hadn't noticed from last week's video and from my TikToks. I finally picked up the Rowe Margot bag, and this is a color that I've had on my mind for a long time, was this particular color. It's one of my favorite colors anyway in general in leather bags, and the leather on this it's called saddle leather, and it's absolutely beautiful. This is a great investment for me because with all the traveling that I've been doing throughout the past couple of years now or so, I needed a really just a good tote, and this has been that for me. It's structured, but it's slouchy at the same time. So it covers both sides of what I would want in the bag. I've already done like a full review on it on my TikTok, so I'll leave that on the screen here if you want to check that out. And I'll link that for you below as well if you want to have a look. But it just does everything I want it to. Plus, it also sits on my shoulder, which is perfect. This is a size 17. I think 15 is the most popular size that you see like all over social, but I wanted the 17. I just think it's just a great, large, oversized size without being too big. I'm 5'7", and on my frame, I just love the look. And it's just like a slightly, like I said, oversized, slouchy vibe, and it's just been fantastic. Chef's kiss. I forgot to show you this bag as well, which I brought with me. I'm surprised you lot didn't think, Karen, didn't you bring this with you? This is my oldie but a goodie. It's a J. Crew straw bag, and it's just my feed bag, I've called it. Brought this with me. So I brought a lot of pieces that you've probably seen on my channel a lot, but they're just my favorite pieces that I love to have with me when you're going on holiday. I don't think that you necessarily need to buy a whole new wardrobe. Even as I work as a content creator, I think it's really good to show that you can get the same pieces that you've bought from previous years and still keep wearing them. And I think that's really a great thing to do, like this Reformation dress, for example. Here's another one that I brought back with me, which is my orange mini Loewe puzzle bag. I'm so glad I have this with me. It has inside of it the longer detachable strap, so I can wear this crossbody if I want, or just on one shoulder. It's just a beautiful little punch color to have, and especially if we're going out in the evenings or something, it's nice to be hands-free and to have this with you. For clothing, I'll just show you just a few pieces, just key ones, because there's more, but I just want to show you some key ones. I brought with me, again, my Sir the Label dress. I love Sir. I think they're such a cool upcoming brand, and their price point is really good as well, I find. It's not like thousands, but it's not like, you know, really fast fashion either. So it's a really good price point, and the quality is fantastic. It's a beautiful chocolate brown silk dress with lace inserts and this keyhole right here. It's just a beautiful dress, and I love the wide straps that goes down V-shaped on your back. Super flattering and super long. It's very glamorous but effortless. I would wear these with like flat thong sandals, or I'd wear it with like my Hogan sneakers. Just that combination of wearing something really girly but something that's not at the same time, I love. Another Sir the Label dress, which is this linen number. Same idea as this, where it's just like a little sundress, but I just love the little ruched cups here, and it goes all the way around the side. 100% linen, just a little short little black dress, and it's great for like a dinner. Add some like gold jewelry, silver jewelry. So it's black, so you can just like do it however you want. Wear it for like with wedges, espadrilles. Actually, I did bring I brought my Castaner wedge espadrilles. I'll show you a picture of them on the screen. I brought those with me as well. I love those. They're great for like dinners as well, because they're comfortable, but they look really chic as well. So how many times can I say as well? So there's this dress, love. A black dress, which I've had since last summer, I believe, which is this one. I think you've seen this before on either my YouTube and or my TikTok. Is this from Zara? And I think it's beautiful. It's 100% cotton. I love the lace kind of detail at the bottom of it, and it matches at the top here. It's very, very flattering on. It's so cool. And I love the way it just has these thin straps and it just ties at the back here. It's super, super pretty. It has pockets. It's just like the beautiful, effortless midi sundress. And I'm so glad I have it. Okay, and the last piece I'm going to show you, I wanted to just show you some really easy like capsule wardrobe. If you're going on holiday, especially somewhere warm, you want to think of like, what's the pieces to invest in? I'm showing you pieces that I've had for a while. So that should give you an indication, an idea of what you can get that you would want to wear, that you're going to get a long life out of, that you're not just going to wear it one season and it's done. These are categories that I always pack when I go away. Another one, I bought 3 skirts. Now I brought this long, and they're all long because I love midi long skirts, and I'm really feeling them at the moment. This one is by Suzanne, and it's a chambray skirt. It's a beautiful sky blue, and it just skims beautifully off your hips, hangs nice and long. This looks great with like a, I don't know, like a button-down shirt that you've got tied right here, that kind of chic vibe, or opened with a little bandeau top. Could be like a bikini at the top, or just like a little blouse. You know, just anything like that, it works. So that's why I have this, and I love that it's blue chambray. I brought my Christopher John Rogers green skirt in this stunning bright color. How stunning is this, right? I might even wear this tonight because we're going up for drinks, and I think I might change this. I think this is epic. So yeah, I might put this on right now. So I'm going to leave it right here. Hopefully it doesn't go into the pool. And then the last of my midi skirts is this one. This is a recent pickup. This is by Rixo, as you can tell, because the label is still in it. And it is 100% linen. And the detail on it that I like is that it's got this lace at the bottom to trim it. So it almost reminds you of a slip dress. Do you know what I mean? So it's beautiful, white, like I said. And I just think it's such an easy skirt to wear with so many pieces. I could even layer it on top of this one day if I want. So yeah, I just thought it was such a nice piece to have. Shorts wise, I didn't want to be too fussy. I wanted to go very classic and just feel very kind of like, just feel effortless and, you know, something you can easily get anywhere, which is vintage Levi's, and these are 505s. The 505s. This is what I have in the jeans. Remember I was doing the whole jeans search and I found a pair of one Levi's and I love the fit. They're 505s. So are these. I didn't know that. I've had these for like 2 or 3 years now. So I have these Levi's 505, and it says regular fit in the waistband right there in the center. I love the wash of them. I can't remember. I may have DIY cut them. I'm not sure, but I just think they're just the perfect quintessential summer vacay shorts to wear with absolutely everything. And I'm almost embarrassed to show you this. This is the last thing, and it's so creased. But I have with me a couple of men's vintage button-down shirts. I just think they're such a perfect thing to have as well. They're just like beach cover-ups. I don't need to explain. They're just oversized men's shirts. Wear them open, wear them like undone, over anything, as is. these are just wardrobe staples for me. And yeah, I love them. I think they're great. Just pick in your favorite color. If I was giving advice, I would say to get them in a white and a black. The black you can wear in the evening. The white is going to be great because it's white is a neutral color. It goes with everything. I picked the pink because I love pink. I think pink is a great color in a lot of skin tones, especially if you have a bit of a tan. Pink looks very flattering. But I think that's going to be it. I just wanted to quickly just go through some of the things that I packed with me for St. Lucia. Michael is sitting here looking as chic as you like. Do you want to say hi or no?
Sure, I'll bump in.
Michael's coming over to say hello, and he looks so sick. Don't step on my white skirt. He stepped on my white skirt.
No, I did not.
You did. It's, oh, my.
Sorry. Anyway, I'm here wearing a white Zara shirt. Looks like black Banana Republic linen, I think.
Banana Republic for trousers, linen. So you're all linened almost. What are you going to wear shoe-wise?
This is like a nice soft.
What are you
I
going to
like
wear?
this shirt from Zara. It's
I
nice.
like it.
Probably the black sandals.
Black, which?
The Hermes.
Oh, the chip sandals. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Super chic. He has his own. I'm going to leave his Instagram
With my new
below.
haircut, people.
Yes.
Thank you for all the lovely comments.
Show the sides so they can see
Yes.
properly. Just go all the way, turn all the way around. So he just had the fade done, nice and short. It looks so nice on him. I love it. It's so cool. Anyway, that is it. Oh God, the light is showing. That's shining on my face. Sorry. But that is it, my loves. I will see you guys next week, Friday. Obviously, you can see all of this is happening in real time, TikTok and Instagram. All right. I hope this helped you. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you with ideas on packing for your summer vacation, or if you're just going away for a few days anywhere. Hopefully it helped. Anyway, these are the things I use all the time. So now you get an idea of why. Anyway, I'm off. I'm going to get changed into this. Bye.